The best way to prevent loose skin from forming and also to treat light to moderate skin sagging on our body is all through natural methods that will cost you hardly anything. And today we're going to be discussing what those tips are and how you can implement them into your life. And the best part of it all, they will leave you feeling great, which is just what we need having started a new year. Get loose skin because we lose collagen and elastin, which are the two key proteins in our skin. In addition to this, as we age, we lose bone density and muscle mass. In fact, we start losing muscle mass as early as from the age of 30. So exercise is incredibly important because it helps build that muscle and also supports our bone density. And muscles are so important because they provide that structure for our skin and really help with that skin firmness. Research has shown that strength training, which includes weightlifting, is particularly useful for anti-aging purposes. And this is because not only does it build that muscle mass quite quickly, but it really boosts two key hormones that are essential for anti-aging purposes. That's growth hormone and testosterone. These will really help with that collagen production, but also will support your bone structure, your muscle mass, and will really help with that overall skin tightening. For the best results, you'll want to do resistance training at least 3 times a week. And you can do this at your gym or from the comfort of your own home using dumbbells or resistance bands. And you'll want to make sure you're covering every muscle group with a focus on your problem areas. And today we're going to be covering some easy exercises that you can do from home. You'll want to repeat these exercises 20 times, working up towards sets of 3. And starting out with your upper body and chest, push-ups are fantastic. They will help strengthen the area and the rest of your body. As for your arms and shoulders, try bicep curls. They will help tone and tighten those front parts of your arms, and tricep dips are fantastic for your bingo wings. Planks are fantastic for your abdominals because they will not only strengthen your abdominals, but your overall body as well. And you'll want to do these for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now for your backs, you'll want to do rows. You can do these at the gym with a machine or with resistance bands. And then last but not least, you have your legs and bum. And for this, squats and lunges are king because they will really help strengthen and tone those legs and bums. And they will also help with the appearance of cellulite. As bone density is so incredibly important for maintaining that skin tightness, make sure you're getting enough D3. Now, we generally get it from the sunshine. You can get it from certain foods like fatty fish and egg yolks, but because it is winter at the moment, I would really recommend you take a good quality supplement with both D3 and K2. Now, the K2 is really important as well because it will help distribute that calcium to the bones where you want it. What we want to do is focus on our collagen and elastin. Our collagen provides that plumpness to our skin, whereas our elastin gives that elasticity, so keeps that skin bouncing back, for instance, when we lose weight. And collagen and elastin tend to reduce as we age, but they can also be affected by various lifestyle factors. For instance, if you smoke a lot and drink, your collagen and elastin will be affected. And what we eat also makes a huge difference. For instance, sugars and carbohydrates have been shown to produce inflammation and also something called advanced glycation products, which basically destroy your collagen. So the obvious answer here is have less sugars and carbohydrates and more of those whole foods. Having a whole food diet will also ensure you're getting enough nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for that collagen production. In particular, you want to look out for vitamin A and vitamin C. And this is because they stimulate fibroblast production, which are cells that are responsible for that collagen production. Get vitamin A from both animal and vegetable sources, but they're not created equal. And this is because the vitamin A that we get from animal sources comes in the form of retinol, which is something our bodies can immediately use, making it more potent. And this is in contrast to the vitamin A that we get from vegetable sources like sweet potatoes, carrots, and kale. This comes in the form of beta carotene, which actually has to be converted into retinol before we can use it, so it's a little bit less potent. And therefore, our preferred form of vitamin A is from animal sources like egg yolks, dairy, and also fish liver oil. Some excellent sources for vitamin C include citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwis, and leafy greens. And as we're talking about collagen, let's not forget the importance of proteins, because collagen is made out of protein. And we actually require more protein as we age. So make sure you're getting enough of this. You can get this from both animal and vegetable sources. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That way I know to continue producing similar content. Now, the million-dollar question, is there a product that can treat sagginess on our bodies? And I have to say, unfortunately not. Although I would definitely recommend you include the ingredients that you use on your face in your body care as well. They simply won't be enough to treat sagging skin on our bodies. But definitely include a vitamin C and a vitamin A product in your skincare on your body, because that will help treat that surface level of our skin. It will help with collagen production, and it will help with crepiness and skin quality. If you're looking for a non-surgical treatment to help you with your skin tightening, there are some great treatments to consider. But one important thing to remember is if you're not following the right lifestyle choices, then you'll see little results from these treatments and you'll most likely be disappointed. But if you are, they can certainly make a difference. And some good treatments to consider are radio frequency and ultrasound. They both work with heat to increase that collagen production and will therefore tighten the skin. It takes about 3 to 6 months to see results, and you'll need multiple sessions. Microneedling with radio frequency is also a great treatment to consider for light to moderate sagging because of its double boosting effect on collagen. And this is because it has both microneedling and the heat in one. And this is something that you can use on your arms, your tummy, your thighs, and the best of it all, it also helps with cellulite. Now, cellulite is something many of us suffer with, and this is important to address in order to really optimize our bodies for summer. And for this, I would recommend you next watch my video on how to treat summer cellulite.